Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Optimum TV app not working. Okay, so guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. First is check the internet connection. Turn off your router or modem, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If the problem persists, you can reset your network setting and go to device, go to network setting menu and look for the option to reset the restart network setting. And if you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to wired connection to rule out any potential wireless issue. Restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. Okay. Then update the Optimum app. How to update this? First of all, in iOS, open the App Store or iOS device. Tap into the profile picture or initial icon. Scroll to view available update. If update is available, then update now and install the app. Okay. This is for iOS device. How to do this in Android? Open the Play Store app and tap into the horizontal line of the menu. Select My App and Game. Then find the Optimum app and tap into the update. And then wait for download and installation. Okay. Then third step is Optimum TV app clear cache. How to clear cache in iOS? Optimum app. Open the setting app, find the Optimum app in installed app and open the Optimum app setting and then look for the clear cache option. Okay, and then tap into the delete all temporary files. And how to do this in Android device? Open the setting app, navigate to the apps or application manager, find and select the Optimum app. Within the Optimum app setting, locate the clear cache option, tap into the delete all temporary files. Okay, so this is the way you can clear your cache in Optimum TV app. If all of these steps is still not working for you, you can go to Optimum customer support website and ask for them help, whatever kind of help you need. Okay. So this is the Optimum contact website. Here you can see their contact number and check for available. If available, click here and check for the available. Like currently is access deny on my IP address. Okay. So check if your IP address is contact is available or not. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Having nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.